I'm flossing in my Chevy. I'm riding in my.
Alright, what's good, y'all? It's your boy. You back with another one, man. Last video, man, I was telling y'all this is all stuff we had for Dolores, Dakota, Tiara, the Vince, the Doe Seals. Still needed the Doe Strikers in the console. The tune, like the number one thing, the music is done pretty much, and the deadline was by May. So, just to bring y'all an update, man, we can go ahead and we can mark off. Where's the black pen at? Yeah, we can go ahead and mark off the Doe Strikers, because we did just get those, and that's what I'm about to show you in this video. And the Doe Strikers is a simple install too. So, yeah, let me show you here. So I did need, because I do have a two-door and a photo, I pretty much needed 3 sets. Sandman, Doe Strikers. I'm gonna pull one out the plastic for y'all. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful. So these is gonna go and replace. I got all this shit in the way. It's gonna replace that bad boy right there. I mean, I bet that looked a whole lot better if you ask me. Probably need to paint them jams, nigga. But yeah. The first one is gonna get it is not gonna be the two-door anyway. The first car that's gonna get it is a photo. So I got 4 of them. 4 of them for the photo and then 2 for the two-door. So that way so now we got all our Doe Strikers. Set of vents, Sandmans. Got this other set of vents for the other car. These are the photo Doe Seals. Long live Deborah D on them. And then up under here we got the Tiara grill. Okay. So all this stuff is pretty much accumulated in spot, or in position and ready to go and be installed. So February we'll probably go ahead and get to putting some of that stuff on there. We gotta get the Dakota dash installed. That'll be also something that we go ahead and do. Probably the thing that's gonna take the longest is the console. So I'm going to be figuring out the design choices that I want for the console, and then getting them over to Steve, man, so we can get the ball rolling on the console and have it back by May. So, yeah, man. And as far as the photo, let's go out here and we can look at it. Everything exterior wise is pretty straight. I think I'm gonna just clean up the tires and run the hubcaps for this first year. It will fix. Like I said, we'll get everything installed. We still need to install our upper lights. We already got the pedals installed there. Got our billet shifter there. Dakota Digital back there. It's the pieces, pretty much the pieces to the first console that we was gonna do back there, but we decided we want to go a different route that was a little bit more professional than our traditional DIY methods. So we doing that. Got to get our music hooked up, but I definitely wanted to make sure we had the right whatever we was gonna put in there. You know what I'm saying? As far as the deck, the dash, or whatever. Because honestly, what I would like to do is put the, like I said, keep this like it is, and then just run the run the console down there, probably with the double D in. But I might run the double D in, get the aftermarket joint, the metal joint, to put the double D in up there, and then have like the iPad console down here. I ain't gonna too much spoil it for what I'm gonna put down there. You know what I'm saying? Or what the design of the console is gonna be. I'm gonna just let y'all see it when it's done. But yeah, so the strikers get replaced. The vents will get replaced. Take out them plastic joints. So just everything coming together. Everything coming together. I'm not sure. I may change out this throttle body. I think that this throttle body is part of the problem why my shit not starting. Right. So, but I mean, honestly, it was starting and running before we did the exhaust. But now it's not. And I think part of that is because the exhaust is kind of restricting it, because we did have to do that crossover under the car, and it was we had to kind of mash the pipe and shit and massage it to get it to fit. However, it could just need some adjustment and kind of go from there to actually get it to run. But I know that with that much bigger throttle body, it's a whole lot more air. So the tune just might need to be adjusted to have more fuel, and that's all that's needed there. So we'll start with the tune, see if we can't get it running like that, and then from there, yeah, see what we can make shake from there. But right now, I got the battery charging up. I gotta go to work today, so I'm not gonna have time to really tinker with it. But I just wanted to bring y'all an update. 2024 LSA Ride 254, man. We back on the grind, back on the hustle, making this content, and we bringing it. The car content, not the bike content. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all been missing the bikes or the car stuff, so we back to business as usual. We still gotta replace this headliner. This gotta go. Well, not headliner, but this under hood insulation, because that looks terrible. Once you switch that out, it's gonna look so much better up under here. You know what I'm saying? To complement what we got going on with the hood or under the hood. So yeah, man. Yeah, mine. So that's pretty much all I got for this video. I'll bring y'all updates as stuff gets done. But I did just want to bring y'all the most current, up to date, what the thing is. This is the car that we're gonna be taking to Woodfest. My nephew said he want to roll with me this year, so we want to make sure that Dolores is put together, you know what I'm saying, the way she need to be to make it to Woodfest. So till next time, man, y'all keep tapping in, spread the word. LS Chevy Rock 254 is back, bitch, in full throttle, and we gone.